Okay guys, thanks for joining us. Right now we're going to start putting the primer all over the face. Next, I'm going to start with the brows. Usually I groom the brows with the clean wand and then I go in with the liner of my choice. As you can see, I'm taking small strokes to make them hair-like and realistic. Of course, we're going to start the process on the other side, ensuring that we're making the same hair-like strokes, ensuring that we're matching the other side, blending the pencil as you go, and making sure that it suits the face. So right here, I'm using one of my makeup secrets to do a full brow lamination look. So you can have the lamination without the actual procedure. I will make a different video on that separately, but I'm doing it on both brows. Okay, so next I'm about to clean up the brow with the concealer. Here I'm using concealer that's probably about 3 shades lighter than the actual skin tone. We're actually going to be doing a dramatic look for this particular video, so I don't mind using a slightly lighter under eye concealer because it's all going to basically blend out with the colors that we use later. Right here, I'm taking a foundation color to kind of make it look more natural coming into the center. I prefer not to use the concealer all the way out to the end of the brow. I tend to try to make a more realistic look coming out, and then of course we clean up the top of the brows with a foundation color that's closer to the client's skin. So now I'm going to start my contour with a darker shade. I start with the top of the forehead, go down to the cheekbones, and then blend where I see fit, where I want to contour her face. I also do the nose slightly, not anything too heavy. You can see that everything is slightly darker, but as we go, we will be blending out with foundation, concealer, and all the necessary colors to balance her skin back out. I tend not to overlay too many layers of makeup. I want it to look nice and skin-like. I want it to look fresh, smooth, and natural. So I tend not to overdo my application of products on my client's face. Okay, so now we're blending down to the neck, ensuring that we don't have a contrast between the face and the neck, blending everything down so of course it can look natural. So here I'm just lightening up certain areas that I'm highlighting with a slightly lighter color foundation. It's going to blend in with everything that I've already done so far. And of course I'm setting as I go, so the skin continuously is smooth, continuously is setting as I go. So right here, I'm just using a disposable sponge to kind of like just press in that light color and make sure that everything is like blended in. And now I'm going to apply the translucent powder, the lighter one under the eyes, on top of the bridge of the nose and the forehead, the certain key areas that we highlight, and then I will use a more natural translucent powder for the rest of the face. This client usually has oily skin, and so that's why I'm taking the time to apply certain amounts of powder everywhere. Right now I'm actually starting to do a powder contour. I like to use a light color first, and then I go in with a darker one. I'm also applying my blush first. I am different. For some reason, I like to see the face already contoured and blush applied before I start my eyeshadow. And here I am applying eyeshadow for a smoky, nice, gorgeous look. As you can see, I'm constantly blending. I blend as I work so that it's easy for me and it's easy for the color application. It's a smooth application. It looks, you know, flawless as I apply. Right here I'm using a liner glue that assists with a quick lash application, and I also prepped the lash already with glue so it was easy for me to apply while filming and it didn't take up too much time. So the lashes went on pretty quickly. I'm cleaning up with a little bit of liner to make sure the lines are kind of perfect and then drying that out with the fan. Right here I'm highlighting with two different color highlights. I will list the products that I used in the description below, but I love these products. I normally line before I put the lashes on. I kind of got carried away there, so I had to go back and do it, but everything is coming together with the bronzer, and now I'm lining the lips to prep for our red color. Yes, so gorgeous. I love it. I love this look on this client. We always have fun, and I love how the smoky look came out. We did another variation and I will show that in a different video. So thanks for watching.